HF digital modes is one of my favorite part of the hobby. Specifically, modes like PSK31, PSK63, Hellschreiber, which is by far one of my favorites, Contestia, Olivia, Domino X, Throb, Thor. All those digital modes are gone. Nobody uses them anymore because FT8 and FT4 have taken over. Now, RTTY is radioteletype, RTTY, and that has always been around. That seems to have not faded, but it's really only used for like contests and roundups, okay? And I say that because I could tell you I was operating PSK and RTTY in 2004, and back then FT8 didn't happen, and there was a lot of RTTY and a lot of PSK31 and a lot of Olivia and a lot of Contestia. Now you get RTTY Roundup, which is actually happening right now. First, what is it, January 3rd, 2026, we have the RTTY Roundup. And on all bands, look at this. Look at what is happening here. There is some RTTY just everywhere, okay? Right, and that is keyboard to keyboard chat. Although people are here for contest or RTTY Roundup purposes only right now, okay? And 15 meters is wide open, but there's nobody on the phone portion. Okay, that's fine. Everybody can do what they want to do. But I want you to see something here. Right, RTTY. Let's go down to 20 meters. Okay. A lot of these RTTY stations you won't see or hear unless there's a reason to be on there. And if you don't believe me, I want you to check in on January 5th at, whatever time of the day, and you're not going to find a single RTTY station anywhere. But I love RTTY because people actually still use it. Let's try 30 meters. Is there any RTTY on 30? Let's go up here to 10 meters. There's some RTTY right there. Okay. So we have some RTTY on 10. We have some RTTY on 15, 20. I bet you during the day, 40 meters. Maybe not. Yeah, not today. Not right now. Okay. 40 is usually a nighttime band anyways. But where am I going with this? I wish, that more people would get on HF digital modes during the day or, an average weekend. And also to follow up with a video that's probably posted before you see this one was the 15 meter band. And how the 15 meter band, I think, is a forgotten band. It's like a middle child that somebody just doesn't like. You had your first child, no, wow, cool. And then you have, and then this one here, well, 15. Why? Prove me wrong. Because when you go up in the phone portion, the only place you'll find activity, unless there's a contest, is up here, which is where I hang out on the HF activity group. And they're already on 12 meters, I think. But we'll be here at 21,383 every day. I'm talking to Canada, Johan over in Belgium. You got Mexico. You got the guys in Canada. You got Roger down there in New Zealand. You'll hear him on 15 meters every day when I'm mobile. But they're not there. Nobody else is there unless there's a contest or a reason to be there. So 15 meters, I think, needs more love, guys. And you can see here, there's a ton of RTTY. So if you're wanting to get some RTTY under your belt, it's right here. 15 meters, 20 meters tonight, 40 meters, even down on 80 meters. RTTY is definitely a widely used mode, unfortunately, only for roundups and contests. 7-3, KJ4, YZI.